Sophia, you're right in the way. You're right in the way.
She's trying to help.
We're trying to
Chill out. Let's go this way. Look. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, get off the bug juice.
Hey, come here. Look. Oh, it's over there. Poor. I mean the hose. Come on. Okay. This way. Kate, come here. With the Easter basket. The Easter basket. What'd you find? Did you find a bunny? What's that? Look, there's Elmo crayons. And off she goes. She'd rather walk. Yay! Daddy, Sophia. It's going a little Easter, a bunny trip.